never slow up, no I don't take shit.
Are you guys tossing about in your beds and spending sleepless nights by sleeping in sinking and sagging bed as shown in the picture, which in the mornings your back hurts, and not only that, in the long term, let me tell you, it affects your bone, muscle and overall health. So if you are interested to get rid of all this, let me introduce you a memory foam bed which is suitable for all types of bodies, and we'll check out some special features as well in this video. Hello, namaste, how are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1, welcomes you all to watch really good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, this is Emma bed mattresses and bed protector. You can check out the product or the products in the description box. You have got 70% off right now. As you see in the picture, this is how the packing is. We are unboxing this. As you see in the picture, the opener and the warranty card is given. The warranty is for 15 years. And you all know this is the first best-selling mattresses across the globe. And it provides good premium quality beds or bed mattresses, whatever you call. This is made up of memory foam bed, which is suitable and best suits for all body types. Okay, let me tell you, all bed sizes are available, say single or extra single, queen size or king size. You can check out the link in the description box if you want to buy. As you see in the picture, this is how the bed is. It's portable, easy to carry and install. As you see in the picture, they have given an opener. We'll open this bed now and you can see the magic of this, how it floats or expands once you start opening it. Okay, here we are opening the bed as you see in the video, and once we start to open it, the bed starts bloating itself or puffing up itself as shown in the picture. Once it is puffed up, it is firm, sturdy, and even 10 people can sit on the bed at a time. So you can sustain 10 people's weight as well. It's a premium quality bed, lightweight, portable as shown in the picture. It is soft. Your body goes easy on the bed. Coming to the point, as I told earlier, it is made up of cool gel memory foam. So you can see the differences between the old and new bed with the built-in material, which makes all the difference here. As I told, the memory foam. So that material is being used in the Emma bed as shown in the picture, which is bouncy, so no sagging or sinking issues will arise in the future and your back never hurts. It is ortho friendly, that means it supports your bone and muscle health, and it increases the overall health as well by increasing your or improving your sleep quality. And you can ask me, how can we increase the sleep quality? Let me tell you, it has got a breathable aerogocil and aeroflex springs, which regulates the temperature of your body. So if your body is hot or cold, never bother, or even never bother. If you're in cold or hot or spring climates, whatever, it regulates and puts you to a sleeping condition, and it enables to sleep quickly and stay asleep longer. Now we'll see the bed protector or the bed protector cover. So this is also from Emma brand. It's ultra soft, it's washable and 100% water resistant. As you see in the picture, this is how the bed cover or the bed protector cover is. It's easy to put onto your bed. Now I'll show you. It comes with the elastic. So when you put it in your bed, it stays wrinkle free. It's soft, as I said. We'll see how it works when it comes to water or stain resistant. Here you can see pouring water across the bed protector or cover, whatever you call. Now we'll check whether it is 100% water resistant or not. We'll uncover this. As you see in the picture, you can see the bed is not wet. The water is on the bed protector or cover. So it is 100% water resistant. So it's pretty wonderful and amazing, right? It is super useful when you have children or infants. It is breathable. You can have this premium cotton feel 100%. So that's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.